Introduction. The project is entitled Arduino-Based RFID door lock. Here in the Philippines, there are cases of robbery wherein the thieves that would try to enter and steal some things from their target houses. People are triggered to do bad things because of the suffering due to pandemic and poverty. The purpose of the project is to protect our home from thieves. This project is designed to have a RFID tag where she or he would use it to unlock their houses. There would be an RFID readers near the doorknob. Once the RFID tag is scanned, the door would automatically be unlocked. And when the door is shut closed, the door would automatically be
required are Arduino board, servo, jumper wires, and RFID. It consists of letters, words, and symbols known as tokens. Action runs a section of code written somewhere else. The parentheses are the two tokens that is enclosedly input to the pin mode functions. The input are the arguments and the output is the special keyword at Arduino. In our code, we use serial print, and serial print tells the computer that the button has been pressed, then a message display from the screen. Serial printing is basically sending information from the Arduino to the computer. It communicates between the Arduino and the computer, and it is very useful thing to have. In void setup, we use serial.begins, which means this is the number of characters or data every seconds. We also use serial.println to print the message in the screen. We also use void loop to define integer and how much time to delay every second or every minute.